Hadian belami ki jing khuslai jingmut ke bajur belapan pau dari samla pulie ki seng samla pulie bat kila pathai khubor. Ketenat pulie putih jong ke Sorkar Pdeng ke larai bantau ke komiti ba arngut beriau ban Tohkit. Halo ki jing kenok penyat bakala bat ka jing bomler ki bor penyat yapok ke Skulbah North Eastern Hill University lanin Nehu. Ke inquiry committee belai lam da usong keno berim jong ke University Grants Commission lani UGC u Professor D.P. Singh. Ka kentup ru ya Vice Chancellor berim jong ke Assam University Professor Dilip Chandranath. Haga juk kepor ikli duk ketenat puli education hapok Nehu i Professor Sherwin Mie Sungo ilarai ban om pediang ya ke jengtung ya i kum i Pro Vice Chancellor jong ke University Shillong campus. Ila ong bakarai jong i ban pediang ya kum kini kirukom tungkam kan syong halo karai jong ke bedon bentalang ki beshim bentalang ru hakni ke jeng ki kaba dang ya chikman.
I felt that the notification that has been sent to me through WhatsApp was not appropriate. Till now, I have not even received a proper or formal letter or notification in black and white. So I do not accept this offer which has just been sent to me through the WhatsApp. And that is point number one. And when I looked at the notification, I saw that the signatory of this notification was not appropriate and it was not coming from the appropriate authority.